Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Marvel Cosmic Invasion game on your device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and after you are logged into your account, you will be taken into your store page. From here, click on the search box and then just type in Marvel Cosmic Invasion to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and you will have the option to play the demo version before purchasing the full game. In order to purchase the game, click on the Add to Cart button, and then you can click on View My Cart to continue towards your payment. Now you have the option to use your Steam Wallet balance or any one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Just fill up your card credentials and your billing information, and once you complete your transaction, the game will be added to your library. You can then complete the installation of the game in just a few clicks. And once it is done, you may start enjoying the Marvel Cosmic Invasion game on your PC. And that is how easy it is to download and install Marvel Cosmic Invasion. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.